So let's take a look at one of the more underutilized tools in YouTube Editor, and that is the closed caption tool. So I've got a video up here. This is our student broadcast. And if I click on the option down here that says subtitles and CC for closed caption, it's going to pull up this particular window. And sometimes the first time you pull this up, it'll ask you what language you want to do closed captions in. This one, I've already said English is kind of the default, so it's going to go to this. So there have been some edits. I've looked at this before, but I'm going to pull that up, and in this option now, it is going to pull the video. And we've got kind of like a song at the beginning of this. And so we're going to get to where the students are actually starting the broadcast, and that's where the edits are going to begin. Now it's going to automatically pick what it believes it's saying. That's not going to put capitalization in and periods and things. And I'll let it run here for a second. You can kind of see how much it gets correct. It does get quite a bit correct, and then you can go ahead and edit yourself. So I'm going to go to the edit tool down here, and I'm going to overwrite the existing subtitles I have so you can see what it looks like. And I'm going to get back to where the students are beginning the broadcast. And then let's kind of play for a little bit and you can see what the closed caption looks like.
We have a surprise for you guys. As you can see, we're going to have a special Royals themed broadcast.
World champs!
Yes, we are. Now let's go learn a little bit more about the guy with the W sign. Have you recognized this?
Okay. So you're going to be able to go in and kind of put in your own options. So like here, you know, it obviously didn't know when the beginning of a sentence was and those kinds of things. So then you can go in here and then you can type in anything that you want. You can go ahead and if you want to watch this particular part of the video and pause it.
A little bit more about the guy with the W sign.
So it says find out a little bit more. So it says let's find out. So let's find out a little bit more about the guy with the W sign. Okay, and then when you play this, it'll come back. A little bit
more about the guy with the W sign. Have you recognized?
Okay, so over here we have to go have you. So you're going to click in have you recognized the man. So let's see what that looks like here.
A little bit more about the guy with the W sign. Have you recognized this man standing behind home plate at postseason games?
So it says have you recognized this man is actually what he said. So I'm going to change that. And then you kind of pause there. So let's see what that looks like.
A little bit more about the guy with the W sign. Have you recognized this man standing behind home plate at postseason games?
Okay, and then obviously you want to add the question mark. Okay, so that gives you a little bit of an idea of kind of what it looks like. It's going to automatically pick quite a bit. You can edit it as much as you want. You can click on the pause video while typing. So if you're fast enough, you can actually be typing, and then as soon as you stop, it'll kind of pump back into the actual video. And so you can decide how much you want to edit, and then once you're done, you can go to Publish Edits, and then when someone's watching your video and they click on the CC option down here, it's going to give the closed caption below. So it does take a little bit of time, but it is possible to add closed caption to your own personal videos. And it will do it in other languages as well. I don't typically do it in Spanish or other languages, but it will try and translate back into other languages as well.